birds are fighting or something. I don't know. And then I seen 2 rabbits running through that field. I don't know, they went. What is up, guys? Stephanie Garcia here, back at it again. Another daily vlog. And today I'm going to be talking about challenges with making FBA listings and getting your products in there into the FBA. So let's get to it. Okay, so here's the thing that people don't tell you about when you're making FBA listings. For one, number one challenge that I had a couple years ago when I first started, was not having a UPC, but people talk about that now, here and there. Okay, so if you don't know what a UPC code is, it's like the barcode number for the product. And I bought my barcodes off of eBay a couple years ago, but I've heard recently from other YouTubers that there may be some limitations or restrictions to the barcodes now. So definitely look that up before you go listing any private label products or creating a new listing, because you're going to need that barcode. Like, it will not let you save it unless you have that UPC number or an EAN number. But another challenge I have had that has recently come up is I was listing something in the home goods department or whatever, and I went to go send it in, and then I got an error message, and the error message said, because it had batteries, I think, that it needed a material safety data sheet from the manufacturer. So if you have something that's electronic or has batteries already in it, make sure you get that material safety data sheet, because you're gonna need it. Luckily, I sourced my product from DHgate, so I went back over there, emailed the vendor, and they went right ahead and sent it over to me, and then I submitted it to Amazon. Amazon approved the listing, and I sent those in yesterday. So that was one challenge that I had for sending things in to Amazon FBA while making the product listing, was if it has batteries, make sure you have that material safety data sheet. Now, another challenge I've been having is picture quality. So I take my own pictures, and I didn't pay attention to the specs very well as far as like what size the picture has to be, but now I do. So that's one thing that you have to pay attention to, is the specifications on the pictures for your Amazon listing. And you can easily find that when you go to create the listing, and you go to the picture section, then you just read the information right there. Me, I like to rush through things sometimes, and so that was another challenge. So another challenge creating FBA listing, was not really understanding how the keywords function works. And luckily, recently, Tanner J. Fox, who's a dude who has like a course on FBA. I haven't had it, so I can't speak to it. I don't know if it's any good. I did 2 other courses, and they actually didn't show this. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it was Tanner. If it wasn't Tanner, then it was Jacob Schultz. But one of them, and I actually bought his course, but one of them made a video and showed you step by step on how to do the listing. And so my biggest challenge with the listing was the keywords part, because I was like, how do you list it? You only get like 5 lines. Do you put it on there? What do you do? And so I'll put a link in the description that links that video that I watched. That was very useful. We'll see how it works. Like I said, I just sent in my product the other day, so I don't know exactly how it works. And you know what? Unfortunately, I only sent in like 14 of the product. So I'm hoping that it doesn't sell out fast, because I'm not ready to replenish. But at the same time, I'm hoping that it does, so that I know that it's a good product and I did the keywords thing right. My pictures were on point, really good. I used PhotoFuse, by the way. If you take your own pictures and you have your product on a white background, just try to make it as bright as possible, and then go ahead and take that image and go to PhotoFuse and it'll sharpen that image right up and make it Amazon perfect. But anyways, that's it for now. Those are my 3 challenges with creating an FBA listing or Amazon listing and sending the product into FBA. To recap, number 1 was if it has batteries, having the material safety data sheet. Number 2, the pictures and getting them to be good quality and perfect size. And number 3 is the keywords and getting that how you want it. But anyways, if you like this content, please like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.